just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of
so much love, and you can see that in my artwork, for the land, for the animals, for the light, the morning light, the evening light, a simple jar of honey, a baby chick. It can all turn into so much beauty behind a lens. Our soon-to-be dream come true is to provide amazing, delicious, wholehearted food for the people of Norman, Oklahoma through our CSA. A CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture. With our particular CSA, we not only provide vegetables, but we're going to make it a whole diet CSA. So we'll also provide meat, dairy, and some type of sweetener, which will probably be honey. If you'd like to know more about our CSA, you can always find me in the field, maybe in the garden, maybe out checking on the chickens, or you can find us online. My name is Sam Lamb, and thanks for stopping by.